Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. One of the most liked furniture items from the timing, from history, from a long time is a Jhula, a swing. And in fact, everybody loves it. Kids, they love the Jhula. Young people, people like us in the middle ages, and the old people as well, our elders. Everybody loves a Jhula for the one simple reason: when you sit on a Jhula and the light swing, when you're sitting on it, a light swing gives you much relaxation. And this is the basic concept when we have a cradle for a kid also, an infant. Light swing for the cradle for the infant, and the kid sleeps instantly. And that particular thing is continued for our entire life. And I'm sitting here, I'm feeling really relaxed. A little swings gives the body much relaxation and the mind also. We can have a book, we can read, or we can watch some movie, or simply just relax. This is one thing we all love. And in Jhulas, there are two things. One is a Jhula that goes to the ceiling. So we call it a ceiling swing. And the other one is a stand swing, swing with the complete stand, a standalone unit that you can place anywhere. Ceiling swing has to be fixed in one place, just like this one, wherever the place is, but stand can be moved according to the requirement. You can take it to a different place also and doesn't need fixing on the ceiling. In ceiling swing, the options, sizes, design pattern, chain options, every information I'm going to give in this video. And after this video, I'm sure you will have all the information if you are thinking about a ceiling swing. Any ceiling swing has two things: chain and seat. This is the basic part. And then the ceiling fixation, I'll talk about that too, but that is a separate thing. But what we are discussing here is basically the seat and the chain parts. Fixation, I'll just let you know how it is done, what options are available. When we are talking about the seat part, it comes in different sizes. And how size is calculated, that depends on the ceiling itself, how much space we have on the ceiling, and how much space are we going to cover. In this video, I'll explain that part also. And about the seat part. Seat can be a simple plank, an open plank, or a seat with a backrest like this one. And in this also we have got two options: fixed seat, like you want only sitting on this side. Maybe you have a wall, but the wall should be at a little distance, let's say 1.5 to 2 feet back. So when you swing it, the maximum you want, still there is some space, so around 2 feet of space at the back. So it can be a fixed seat, like you want only one side sitting, or a seat that can reverse, just like this one. Just like this one, only we have to pick the back and move it to the other side, and this becomes a seat that I can use from this side as well. The design remains the same, everything remains the same, and quick and easy installation. Just you have to move the back, no fixation, nothing. Simply pick the back. I'll do it one more time. Pick the back, move it this side, and this becomes your seat from the other side. So in the seat, majorly the options are open seat without back, and if you're looking for the back, then fixed back or reversible back. These are the options in the seat. Now coming to the chain part. For the chains, we have got a lot of options. There's solid brass chain in antique finish, and in brass we have got gold finish as well. And in antique finish, we have got animal figure chain, and rods, and 12 inches rod and 8 inches rod, different options. Whichever option you like, they all have different pricing. Whichever option you like, we can accordingly price the seat. The prices can be derived, and we'll provide you the best price possible. This is about the chain part and the seat part. Now about the reversible thing, as I shown you, we have got hinges here. These are also brass hinges. So they help in reversing the seat from this side to this side. Then we have these bottom rings, and these are also in brass. So entire brass fittings, the chain, bottom rings, the handle, and the teak wood seat. This is in teak wood. And then the seating cushion part. Everything has got options in the design, in the colors. You want some different color, you want in Decor paint or polish, we have got so many colors. And the chain, everything has got choices. You can select size, design, color, fabric, chain, and we will provide you accordingly. Now coming to the installation part, very important part, and how the seat size is derived, because this is the basic thing we'll discuss at first. When you come to us and ask for a ceiling swing, the first question we generally have: what size is required and how we are looking for the size. First thing, this is a two-seater unit. You can go for a 2.5-seater unit. Three-seaters generally get very big, quite big in size, but if you want, we can make that too. So size is not an issue. The main thing is the installation on the ceiling. Now here, if you look, we have got two hooks on the top. These are fasteners, eye bolt fasteners, and these fasteners are at a distance of 4 feet right now. 4 feet distance. Now, if you see here and if you notice, these chains are quite close to the unit. In fact, if you see at the bottom, these are exactly to the edges of the seat side. As you can see, this is a 4 feet unit, 27 inches front to back. Total height here is 32 inches, and then the back is included in this one, the size. Let me explain it in an easier way. If the rings are outside the unit, just like this one, the seat ends here, the rings are outside, then the distance between the hooks is 2 inches more on both sides. So if it is 4 feet, 2 and 2, 4 inches extra, 48 plus 4, 52 inches should be the distance between the hooks. So both hooks you have to install at 52 inches distance, and then this chain becomes straight like this. And once it is straight, there will be no friction, no movement. Here, even if you see, when I'm turning the seat, it is getting rubbed against the chain. So this is the distance I'm talking about. That is why it is really important to know the distance between the hooks. So if the hooks are outside the seat, like this one, 2 inches more. If the hooks are on top of the seat, 2 inches less. So let's say it's 4 feet. In this case, 2 and 2, 52 inches. And if this is inside, then 2 minus 2, then it goes 44 inches for the distance between the hooks. Let me set, and now I'll give you more information. If the hooks are already installed, now you know what is the distance you need, what the size of the seat you require. And if the hooks are not installed, accordingly you can get the seat and get the hooks installed in the ceiling. Now, about the ceiling installation, about the hooks part also. Here you can see we have got two eye bolts, fasteners fixed in the ceiling. This is one thing that you can use when the ceiling is concealed. These hooks get inside the ceiling because these are not visible when the ceiling is concealed. But if the hooks are visible, then we have very beautiful options that has got bearing. Here, if you notice, I'll sit on it again. If you notice, when we have these kind of hooks, generally there is a slight friction because the hook is fixed. But when we have bearing hooks, the hooks that are on the screen right now, these are bearing hooks, and these are for smooth movement, to and fro movement. So there is no sound, very silent and easy movement, and the seat can be easily installed on this one. And very strong brass hooks, but they comes in different formation according to the ceiling. You choose what you like and we will provide you that hook. So hooks are generally separate, and then chain and seat is what we provide the price for. The ceiling hooks you can select and let us know which one you want. Accordingly, we can give you the price for all of them. So basically, when we are looking for the seat, for the swing seat, we are looking for three things. First is size. Size is left to right. Reversible or without reversible, or could be a plank. That is again the choice part. And then the chain part. Chain that has got choices. Size I have explained. Hooks part I have explained. The installation part I have explained. And still, if you have any question, the number is here. You can contact us. We'll be happy to discuss the requirement, to explain everything, to answer your questions, make the unit as per your choice, size, design, colors, fabric, chain, ceiling hooks, everything as per your choice. Everything has got options, and delivery at your home in India or outside India. 55 countries we are delivering to at factory price. Factory price, best prices, and the quality and brand of Aarsun. Please select what you like and let us know, and we will make a beautiful home swing, ceiling swing for you and deliver to your home. Thank you. Dhanyavad.